the master of Kung Fu Panda, yeah, Pak Ulum. Okay, thank you for everyone. I guess you already have a lot of idea about what will you do for along next week, yeah, because Mr. Ulum said you will visit so many places, yeah, starting after lunch break, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and okay, since I got the information at the end of this program, you have to make a presentation and a video that has certain message value, and it will be complete, and you have to make it more valuable, I think. Yeah? So I will try to give you some reference about how the trend of video content in Indonesia, so you can use it, and then you will create it based on this reference. Yeah. Okay, but first, allow me to ask you a question. Have you ever wondered about how your content going viral? Anyone? Or any one of you, do you know what kind of viral content maybe lately? You? Any one of you? Have you ever watched some contents in your media social? Any one of you have a media social maybe? Media social? What kind of media social that you use? Instagram, and then TikTok, and then X. Yes, X. Twitter moved to X, rebrand and become X, and then YouTube. Maybe the student from Korea, the same. So you use the same media social, same with in Indonesia, right? Because it's globally, right? Okay. Maybe Mas Daman. Would you like to play? Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, this challenge, the previous. Have you this one, yeah? Okay. Are you familiar with this content? Indonesian student, familiar? Of course, because you do on your social media, right? And how about the Korean? Because the first video or content, it's come from Korean, right? And this is, of course, this content is because it's funny and then memorable, and then yeah, everyone who watched this video, they will follow, and then they are persuaded to create the same things. So they follow, and then it's going viral. Yeah, and then the second. Okay. How about in your country, in Korea? Is there your friend making the same video with this? Because it's we call it flag challenge, yeah. So they have to create the transition, and then they have to make over and using or wear their traditional clothes, costume. And then they have to insert the national flag, yeah. So this content is have an aim to make the public aware to their nationality, to their culture, and then they create it so so interesting, and then it can be appeals, and the people will watch it, and they will create the same thing, and of course they will receive a good message from this kind of content. Yeah, so we can use social media, any kind of platform in social media, to send a message or valuable message to another people. Yeah, through this media social. Okay. Yeah, this is the Indonesian digital landscape. There are some key demographics: internet penetration and digital literacy condition in Indonesia. As demographic, Indonesia is a predominantly young population, and of course it drives significant digital engagement. Yeah, and then internet penetration. Yeah, and fortunately, in Indonesia, we are still in significant gap in access across region according to socio-economic groups. So when you are going to Lombok, maybe they are don't be so upset, yeah, if you are not finding internet in some place in Lombok, yeah. Okay, and then digital literacy, yes, in digital literacy in Indonesia levels vary across in the populations. Okay. Okay, this is, there are key platforms. I guess in Indonesia, there are several digital platforms that used by Indonesians, especially people in urban areas such as Jakarta or other metropolitan or metropolis city. Yeah, same like you are use TikTok, right? Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and also X, yeah. And of course, they use this to gather information and then disseminating the information. Okay, and of course, when you are knowing the kind of platform, you have to know that every platform has its own characteristic. Yeah, they have their unique benefits and weakness, and of course you have to decide which platform that relevant with your needs. Yeah, because every platform has its own characteristic and its own user. Yeah, so make sure that you are choose a good and the right platform. Yeah, because every platform has its own target, yeah, target audience. Okay, TikTok and TikTok, WhatsApp, yes, of course. This is the description about Jakarta as the creative hub Indonesia. Maybe Mr. Ulu mentioned Jakarta as a smart city. Yeah, I hope it's true. And the creative hub of Indonesia, of course, Jakarta is the content or the home for industry, creative industry and content creator. Yeah, because in Jakarta we are very dynamic and we have a great potential and increasingly support system. Of course, in Jakarta we will continue so many product content. Yeah. Okay, the content industry in Jakarta, of course, it will be different with Lombok. Yeah, while in Jakarta, we are so many fashion and design startup and so many films and television. It's are producing in Jakarta. Of course, we have so many concert too in Jakarta and music production, and it will become your material to create a content, yeah. And then this is Mr. Daman. Mungkin would you like to help me to play or click one of this, because this is the most trend, the most popular content in Jakarta or Indonesia. Yeah, lately they create a day in my life video or maybe a review about some product or some hospitality. They review about their experience when they are visiting the destination, some destination, hotel, villa, or another one. And this one is, they are okay. They are making a review when they are visiting some cafe. Yeah, and this is one the example of the angle when they are reviewing some cafe, yeah, or maybe coffee shop, and another one. Okay, thank you, Mr. Daman. Okay, and another one is tutorial video. Of course, same like in Korea, in Indonesia, we are creating the same thing like video tutorial. So when you are in Lombok or in Jakarta, maybe you can try to recording yourself. Maybe you can create a how to make rice in Jakarta, or how to make Lombok cuisine in Indonesia, or maybe something like that lah. Because we will inform people how to do something step by step. Yeah, tutorial, makeup tutorial, Korean makeup tutorial. We in Indonesia always do and watch tutorial video. One of them is how to make up a Korean makeup look. Yeah, so we are, yeah, yeah. I guess me too, yeah, right. And then the content, another content trend in Jakarta, of course, trip testimonial and gaming review. Yeah, in Indonesia lately, for the past 5 years, gaming industry and the gamers. There are so many gamers in Indonesia, and then not only play the game, but now the gamers is playing the game and record their player, gitu ya. They record the games and then they make a video review, and this is one of the trend in Indonesia lately. Yeah, so not only become a gamer, so but you can become a content creator with the passion that you have as the gamer. Yeah, okay, and another one, yeah, this is only another trend in Indonesia. They always do some review.
Ini cara pasangnya praktis karena cuma butuh dilem sealant atau diskrup aja. Terus ukuran perpisnya itu 150.
Yeah, this kind of yeah, video with about home decoration, and it become one of the trend in Indonesia. They not only buying the decoration stuff, but they showing to the public how to buy things cheaper, where to buy, and something like that. And then at the end of the video, they usually give some recommendation to the followers or to the public, yeah, where they can buy the same things with them. Nah, that's one of the trend content in Indonesia, yeah, and beside the previous one. Okay, about Lombok, yeah, as we know, the Lombok is one of the most beautiful city or village in Indonesia. So you will go there maybe on Monday, Tuesday, yeah. Okay, as we know that in Lombok they are so popular tourist destination. So you can visit Gili, or maybe where will they go, Mr. Ulum? Gili. Okay, Gili and beach area, yeah. Okay, but not in mountain. Rinjani, yes, Rinjani mountain. Wow, amazing. So you have to prepare your stamina first before you going to the mountain, yeah. Of course, because you need a good stamina to go there. And then in Lombok, you will find so many local culture and local wisdom on there. You will see how they make a beautiful cloth, how they make a beautiful craft, handicraft, and yeah, etc. lah. And of course, they are Sasak tradition and Islamic influence. That's why Lombok, yeah, they popular with halal destination, yeah. Okay, tourist destination, travel destination, and of course in Lombok you will find natural beauty. Like I said before, you will go to Gili Trawangan or Pink Beach, yeah, and Rinjani. Okay. Yeah. Mr. Ulum said you will go to this place. Yeah? Okay, wow. It's so fascinating. Okay. Yeah, when in Jakarta, maybe you will create a content about how you can see your friends in the mall, maybe meeting friends with the mall, or maybe visiting a National Gallery, or maybe visiting some of giant building in Jakarta, or yeah, any kind of lifestyle. But in Lombok, maybe you will capture cultural moment. Like, of course, because they have an authenticity. The content creator, when they are visiting Lombok, they will focus on showcasing about the authenticity of island culture, yeah, lifestyle, how they are making a ceremony, how they are keeping the culture, how they are interact with their family and others, yeah. Of course, in Lombok, when in Lombok, you will see a strong sense of community among Lombok's content creators. They have so many community there, and they creating content for to ensure the sustainability of Lombok as a travel destination. Yeah, so just capture anything that you see, how they interact, how they are keeping their culture, how they are showing their daily activity. You can capture and you can make as your content, gitu ya. Okay, yeah, and okay. And then this is Berkain campaign, one of the latest campaigns and the massive campaign in Indonesia, Berkain campaign. Yeah. This is the example how you can capture and insert the message through your video to creating the awareness of people about the heritage of Indonesia or your country. Yeah, that's the Berkain campaign. Yeah, through Berkain campaign, of course, we can increase our proud of our heritage and national identity. And Berkain campaign is one of the most campaigns that our society do. They always do their kain in every opportunity. Yeah, Berkain campaign. Okay, so that's only the references and the trend of social media or content in Indonesia. We usually creating some contents. So you have to make your content so interesting, so that your content will appeal the public and they want to look forward about the message that you will you deliver through your message, through your content and video. So this is only some reference for you, because you will make the video and presentation at the end of this program. So maybe it can be, or it can help you to improve this concept, and this will become your reference when you are making the concept. As Mr. Ulum said, you have to be aware about the issue, and then it's something that you can choose to be your content, and then you make a concept, and then you choose the content, how you can creating your content, and then you can choose which platform that's relevant with your content, yeah, based on your audience. Okay, this is one, two, creative content community in Jakarta, maybe environment awareness, Jakarta Goes Green, or maybe anything that you can do some platform. Of course, when you creating a content, you need to have a goals, yeah. Goals. What is your goals? And then what will you deliver? What kind of message that you want to people know? So you can insert your message to the audio or the video. So I hope you make a content that represent your goals. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is only another reference when you have to make a content. Yeah. You can do some marine conservation in Smart Village, of course, di Lombok. You can create and you can take some angle from about marine conservation there, and yeah, of course, the ultimate goals is to creating and increase the awareness of the public about the Lombok. Maybe your friend in Korea will know the Lombok by watching your video that you are sending to them, and then they will, oh, wow, that's beautiful in Lombok. I want to go to Indonesia first. So you are become our agents of communication from Indonesia, yeah. Our partner Indonesia in spreading the message about the Lombok and etc. Yeah, this is one of the key consideration, all the content. When you are making content, make sure that you have a visual appeals, and make sure that you choose or capture the authenticity, and maybe you can use a global language or maybe local language. It can improve your appeals, yeah. And then maybe you can add some community engagement. You can interview some of local community there, and you can get more information, so your content will be more valuable. So and the last one is collaboration. You can, after you creating your content, you can do some collaboration based on the platform or media social that you choose, yeah. Okay, I guess that's all about the content trend in Indonesia. I just share the landscape in general about what kind of content in Indonesia that usually become a trending topic in Indonesia. So maybe you can use it as the reference, and you do the same thing. So your content will spread more wider lah, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Ulum. Maybe that's enough for me. I hope through this activity you will do more benefit things, yeah, through this program. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.